Scientists find alien code embedded in human DNA. Is this evidence of ancient alien engineering? We are star people, scientific proof we were created by aliens? The so-called 97% of non-coding sequence in human DNA are nothing less than the genetic blueprint of alien life forms, according to researchers who worked on the Human Genome Project for 13 years. It was formerly termed junk DNA since researchers could not find out what it was for. According to scientists, our DNA is now regarded as alien in origin. After analysis with the help of other researchers in diverse fields such as mathematics, chemistry, and programming, Maxim A. Makukov of the Fesenkov Astrophysical Institute has ventured out and asked if we can call junk DNA, if what we call junk DNA is some extraterrestrial code created by an alien programmer. He says, our idea is that, he's a researcher, and he writes, our idea is that a more evolved extraterrestrial culture, perhaps new life, produces new life and places it on numerous worlds. And he explains, Earth is simply one of them. This is what the narrator says. He says what we see in human DNA is a software consisting of two versions, a big organized code and a simple or basic code, the researchers said. The scientific team claims that the first piece of our DNA code is not written on Earth and that it is undisputable. And second, and perhaps the most importantly, genes alone are insufficient to explain evolution, abrupt evolution. Something else must be at work. He says, we have to embrace the truth that all life on Earth has the genetic code of our extraterrestrial cousins sooner or later, Makukov says, and that evolution is not what we think it is. The ramifications of these scientific findings support claims made by other people and witnesses who claim to have encountered aliens with human-like features. Human-like aliens may have provided some genetic material essential for human evolution. This interpretation leads them to a far-fetched conclusion. The genetic code, quote, appears to have been invented outside the solar system already numerous billions of years ago, end quote, according to News Discovery. This term supports panspermia, the hypothesis that alien life was seeded on Earth. If we suppose that this was a super being planned Johnny Appleseed campaign, it's a novel and bold approach to galactic conquest. Human DNA was encoded with an alien signal for an alien extraterrestrial civilization, according to Kazakhstani experts, which they refer to as biological SETI. The mathematical coding contained in human DNA defies evolution. In essence, we are living, breathing bearers of an alien message that may use to find extraterrestrial life more effectively than radio signals. And according to an article in the journal Icarus, once the code is set, it would remain unmodified in cosmological timescales. Indeed, scientists believe that our DNA is the most enduring structure known, so we might use it to store an alien signature in a highly trustworthy and clever manner. Quote, once fixed, the code might stay unmodified over cosmological periods. It is the most durable structure construct known. This is what they write in the journal Icarus, and as a result, it provides highly reliable storage for intelligent signature. The new code with the signature will stay frozen in the cell, and its descendants once the genome has been appropriately altered, and it may then transport it via space and time. End quote. Scientists believe that human DNA is arranged to display a, quote, collection of mathematical patterns and ideographic symbolic language, end quote. Scientists believe we are created outside of the Earth. We were created outside of the Earth billions of years ago based on these findings. In the scientific community, these concepts or beliefs are not accepted. Nonetheless, these investigators have confirmed what some scholars have believed for decades. Evolution could not have happened, and our species incorporates extraterrestrial life. Is our entire history wrong? Question mark. If extraterrestrial aliens did establish the human race and life on Earth, the great question would be who or what produced these extraterrestrial species? This article was originally published on Newstimes June 24, and it's on Collective Spark. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.